Items purchased will arrive in a transport vehicle on the surface of whatever moon you choose to land on. Do not miss the delivery!
Supposed to find stuff to make money to meet the quota.
Why do we have to stick together?
Bless you! Because...
Okay.
Yeah! Bless you!
She just sneezed all over my arm! My arm is soaked! It's soaked! It's
Stuck by lightning!
Nerissa got stuck. What?
No, don't get stuck by lightning. Don't get stuck by lightning.
I always got struck by a sneeze. I'm sorry. She sneezed all over me as much as it's raining outside. It's so wet. Mococo, if you were using the controller, you would have been safe. She sneezed all over me. I've never sneezed on you like that. That was bad. I'm sorry. I've sneezed over 100 times. Nothing was like that. Oh, I guess there's a scam. Oh!